And this is the chart of yesterday. The way I explained that the market is going to sweep the Asia low, and if we are going to break below the invalidation zone, then most likely we are going to be bearish. The price respected the invalidation zone and moved into the higher time frame POI. So let's get to the video. I'll be anticipating the price to take the Asia low, that is sweep the Asia low and move into the upside direction towards this unmitigated wick of the 1 hour. Hello everyone, and I hope you all are doing well. So today I'm gonna do the EURUSD chart analysis for today's trade. So let's get started. So we are having multiple news in Euro and USD today, but the major high impact news is at 6:45 PM and 8:30 PM Indian Standard Time. So be cautious around these times since it could be a high spread areas. So now let's move to the charts. So this is the monthly chart of Euro USD. The price was having equal lows. The price swept these equal lows and broke this high. This gave us a strong low. The price reacted from this strong low but couldn't break this high. Rather, we broke below the strong low. This breaking below the strong low gave us a bearish bias into the monthly time frame. So after breaking the strong low, the price retraced back to this area where the candle had taken the high of the previous monthly candle, making this a strong zone of reaction. The price reacted from this strong zone and moved into the downward direction but couldn't break below all these equal lows. Rather, it swept it. This sweeping of the strong low gave the market a bullish push. So let's move to the weeklies now. So this is the weekly chart, and the price was having unmitigated candle which was responsible for the bearish move. So the price retraced back to this candle and moved into the downward direction. So currently where are we? So we are currently sweeping the swing of the weeklies and moving into the upside direction according to the weekly charts. So now let's move to the daily for a detailed picture. So this is the daily chart and nothing is clear to me into the dailies. So I'll be directly moving to 4 hours. So this is the 4-hour chart, and we can see that the price was having a strong high and it reacted from this strong high and moved into the downward direction. Currently, the price action is not pretty much clear, but we are having equal lows according to the 4-hour charts. So now let's move to the 1 hours. So this is the 1-hour chart, and this was the candle which reacted from the higher time frame POI, that is 4-hour POI, and moved into the downward direction. So we are having unmitigated wick into this 1-hour candle, and the price had mitigated this 1-hour wick and moved into the downward direction. So currently what do we have? So this is the low which had taken liquidity of this area and moved into the upside direction. So I'll be considering this as a strong low. So if the price is going to break this strong low, then I'll be anticipating the price to move into the downward direction and take all these equal lows accumulated right below the 4-hour structure. So now let's move to the 15 minutes directly. So this is the 15-minute chart, and we are having equal highs right above the Asia session. So I'll be anticipating the price to take the Asia session's high and then move into the 4 hours equal lows direction. So for today's bias, I'll be anticipating the price to sweep the Asia high or break it and then break this low, and then we are going to move towards these equal lows of the 4 hour. So this is pretty much it. Thank you for watching.